Good job. Do some more? Yeah? Do one more.
One, two, 1, 2, 3. No, Alexis have a turn.
Okay.
Emily too.
Alright. She's getting tired. She's getting tired. Oh, use your leg. Good job. Use your legs, Bella.
Good job. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Good job.
Sit down, baby.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
We should try this with Isabella.
Yeah, I bet she loves swimming pool, man. Yeah,
Oh,
one
she would love
backyard.
it. Oh God, we'd have to
Yeah,
get
all
her
day
of them.
long.
Should be little fish.
Oh, good job. Hey, put your face in the water. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Monster's coming.
Monsters come.
There's a monster coming.
Oh my goodness.
Alexis, use your arms.
You're so excited, Bella.
No. See, what's the problem, Donnie?
It's hard.
Ready? 1, 2.
Good job, Bella.
Can we do our tummy float? Okay, ready? Lay on your tummy. Then we gotta be really still. So we can float. Ready? 1, 2. Uh-oh, still legs. Can you put your face in the water? 1, 2.
Don't drop me. Don't drop me.
Good job. Very good.
Good job, Bella. Good job. All right. Yep.
The hardest part is climbing out of the
Yep.
pool, you know?
I did it.
You did it. That's right. You did it. You did it.
Big jump.
You jump. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Arms out. Face down. 1, 2.
So excited.
Good job. I'm happy. Swim back.
Are you flipper?